the video above that video is shown. So I'm just gonna also adjust this video so that Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do a split screen effect on your CapCut on Android or iPhone. So it's going to be the same for both Android and iPhone as long as you are using CapCut, the mobile version. So let's go ahead and use CapCut. So I'm going to open it here, and I'm going to start off with a new project. Okay, so what we need to do is to go to new project over here, and then you just need to add in the videos that you have like downloaded or like prepared or that you want to edit. So it's pretty simple on how you can be able to do a split screen effect. Well, the first mistake that I did here is that you should not add the other videos in here as well. So just put one video. So you just need to use one video here, and then what you need to do is to go over here to overlay and then add overlay. So here you can add other videos that you can put on top of the other videos. So for instance, I'm gonna use this one, and then so now it has two overlays. So it's now similar to what you see on your PC when you're using CapCut. So I'm gonna make sure that all videos are also like portrait. It's portrait so that it will be the same, so that there's a point in using a split screen. Because if it's not even portrait, then what's the point, right? Here we have it. Let's make sure that we're enlarged it and that they're all the same size. So what we just need to do now is to make sure that they are all arranged in the way that you want them to be. Now, this one's on the topmost part, but what really is happening here is that this video on the bottom is the one on top, which is why it's the one showing up here. So in order to do a split screen effect, what we need to do is to go down here, click on the this video on the most bottom part, and then go over here, scroll until we find mask down here. Then we go on adjust, and then we just adjust this until the video above that video is shown. So I'm just gonna also adjust this video just like that. Now we just go to the next video, and then we do the same thing to it. Go and mask, horizontal, and then voila. And then we just adjust this video below so that it will show up there. And you also make sure that they're all like of the same duration, so that you won't have like any of these black empty pots, you know, they're all playing at the same time. So when we go watch this video, as you can see, these are all playing at the same time. There's some weird sounds to it, so we can also remove that by going over to volume down here and then just turning this to 0. Check. So as you can see, it's now like split screen. There's now 3 videos playing at the same time. It's really that simple. Now I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.